moun sal sa, ah non, ase m fè pa mi blan avè mi, se la m grandi avè nou. Ave di le ou sa, nou sal mwen tou. Men mwen m kebe tèt mwen, m kebe la tèt route. M fè bagay yon lot fason. You know, nou kite pati sa, nou avanse, nou ale, let's go. Let's go, let's keep it classy, let's keep it professional, let's do other shit. You know, let's stop doing the same old shit. We tired and sick of this old motherfucking game. We tired of that shit. Let's move forward. You know, let me bring the city girl out for you guys for just a minute and shit. Okay? We from Miami, or that bullshit that we got going on, let's drop that shit. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep pushing our businesses. Let's do better shit. Alright? Let's elevate. Okay? Shit happens, okay? Shit hits the fan. We don't fuck with each other. We don't do this. We don't do that. But let's stay in our lane and just keep it moving. I love you guys. I love you. Women who appeal. Anyway, guys. Encore une fois.